let's get to work. Cutting these cucumbers like a boss. And we done. Yes, and we are done with a 7-hour shift. Whew. And yes, I do have to work. Even though I have 600 subscribers, I thought I would be making racks and meals now. But instead, I'm cutting cucumbers. So if you want to help me out, then you can hit the subscribe button. So I don't have to cut cucumbers anymore. And sing the cucumber song. Cutting these. Okay, now if you have followed the vlog, then you will know that we learned how to surf in Bali a few months ago. And in Bali, we were surfing almost every day, all time. It was amazing. We were whipping those waves, just smacking that lip. You know, and we basically fell in love with the sport. We actually liked the sport so damn much that we traveled down to Australia. And in Australia, we bought something very, very special. So on the Gold Coast of Australia, we met a local surf guy who had all these surfboards in his garage. We got our very own surfboards and brought them all the way down to Norway to shred some waves. Problem is, Norway freaking sucks when it comes to surfing in the summer. Winter is okay, summer's not. But today might be that day. I think our ride is here. By the way, that's where Jacob lives, in that house. I live here, Jacob lives there. Let's jump into that car. 1, 2, 3. Go. The ball waves? Today is the day we get good waves in Norway. The surfboards are packed. We have Cornelius and Jakey boy on the surf trip. Let's go. Kom mange waves! Gjør ikke banna. Säg det. Kom mange! Det är bra. Don't let the nice weather fool you. The water is freaking freezing, and that is why we all have to have wetsuits on. Yes. We are ready to surf Norway. Water out, Norway. What is up? Watch out for is those right there. What's up, dude? Stinging all our hands or faces because of those crap balls. He's also waiting for him to swim. That is a wrap. Let's go home. It was a really fun surf sesh, but we kind of gotta hurry because we are doing something new today. Now, ever since I was a little kid, I loved sports. I always wanted to try new sports just to see if it was fun. Now, of course, there's a lot of sports I haven't tried, and sailing is one of them. And that is what we're doing today. And we have Captain Marty on the team. Sailboat crew going hard. So Marty used to sail when she was a little girl with her father, so they own a small sailboat at their vacation house. And we made it. And we out here sailing. Check out the sailing boy right here. Oi, 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 oi. Ah, ass. Ah, oh, oh, oi. Oh, as you can, oi, as you can see or tell, I'm pretty damn good at this.
Can't play the fool, and every month's been April. If you think I'm selfish, give back all the love I gave you. Don't you play the victim and turn your tables on me. You can't play the.
I think it is safe to say that I am a sailor boy now with my sailor girl. No better place to end the vlog here. It's been an awesome day. If you enjoyed it, then hit the subscribe button. And I will see you next week.
I can't play the fool, and every month's been April.